Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to address a common question asked by a Windows user, that how can I restrict access to my desktop background setting? So it's a very common question. So here I have a solution for that. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to safeguard your desktop background and keep it just the way you like it. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So the first things you will need to do is to open the group policy editor. So for that you have to press Windows plus R on keyboard to open the run dialog box, and here you have to type gpedit.msc and click on OK. Now I need to just expand this, maximize this. Okay. So now within the group policy editor, you will see a list of different settings over here. We need to navigate the prevent changing desktop background option. So to do this, in the left side pane you will find under user configuration you will find administrative templates. So you need to expand this, and under administrative templates you will find the options control panel. You need to expand this also, and under control panel you will find personalization. Once you have reached the personalization folder, you will see the options we are looking for. Okay, prevent changing desktop background. In the right hand side you will find this. So here it is, prevent changing desktop backgrounds. So double click on it to open the settings. Okay, so in the settings window, select the enable options. You will find three options: not configured, enable and disable. So you need to select the enable options. This will prevent any user from changing the desktop background. You can also customize the message that users will see when they try to make the changes. To do this, you can add any message over here. So now what you have to do, you have to just click on apply and you have to click on OK to save the changes. So I need to minimize this page, and the settings will take effects immediately. Now see, if you right click on the desktop and if you go to the personalization options, you can't change any desktop background from here. See, all the options will be grayed out, and you will also find a message over here that some settings are managed by your organizations. Okay, so you can't access your desktop background from here. Okay, so you have successfully restricted access to the desktop background settings on your Windows computer. So if you ever want to revert the changes and allow desktop background modification, simply open the registry editor page and navigate to the same settings, then select, double click on this, and here you have to select the not configured option and click on apply and OK. So now if you close the registry editor page, you have to close it also. And now if you go to the personalization options once again, now you can see you can change the desktop background from here. So you can select, you can see you can select from here. Okay, so you have successfully restricted access to the desktop background settings on your Windows computer. So that's it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, please give a video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials. If you have any question or suggestion for future video, please let us know in the comment section below. So, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.